Hello guys, what's up? So I'm here back on my channel with a new topic of physics that is pressure. Okay. So what is missing mainly pressure? So pressure is force per unit area. Okay. So we can also write it as this. Okay. So here, what is the relation of F with P, P with A, and A with F, and like that? Okay, I'll explain. Okay, as the force increases, the pressure increases as the pressure is directly proportional to F, means force. As A, area, is increased, the pressure is decreased. As the pressure is increased, the area is decreased, or as the area increases, pressure decreases. Okay, so the unit of pressure is Pascal, or you can also say Newton per meter square. Okay, so liquid pressure now. Okay, there are four conditions on this. Pressure in a liquid increases with depth. Second, pressure at one depth acts equally in all directions. Third, pressure depends on the density of the liquid. And fourth, pressure finds its own level. Okay, I'll explain that. Pressure in the liquid increases with its depth. Okay, take this for example. When I put something here and take this is at a bottle example and filled with water. Here I put something, as I told you here, as the force increases, the pressure increases. So the force of water is increasing here and the pressure is increasing. And the pressure is exerting the most on the thing I put here. Okay, pressure at one depth acts equally in all directions. There is a cup, I make holes in there here, so it acts when I'll put in a level surface. The cup will be at level surface and it will flow the water with equal pressure. Pressure depends on the density of the liquid. Okay, pressure depends at the density of liquids. Let's explain this thoroughly. Look, there are two containers. One is like tilted and one is straight, but the both areas are same. So there's no difference in the pressure of them, because there's no difference in the shape does not differ the pressure. Okay. Now fourth, a liquid finds its own level. So when you put it in a jar, or the water in a jar, or the bottle glass or something, it finds its own level. Like the for two are there like this. When you pour water from here, the water will flow from here and reaches here. There's a tube here also. So the water reaches for both and finds its own level. Okay, now next topic. How we'll measure the pressure gauges using pressure gauges. How we'll use them? Okay, in the first topic of the pressure, I forgot to show you the pictures. Okay, so here, where this man is pushing this bowling in the wall, and is the pressure is less and the area is more. The area is increased, the pressure is decreased. Here the nail is too thin and it is easily pushed in the wall. So you can see the comparison with this and this. Next, look this water pipe. I told you when as the area is decreased, the pressure increases. Area is same like the original one, and the water flows smoothly here. And here it fast with the pressure. Okay, now pressure gauges. Okay, first is Bourdon gauge. Look at this. This is a Bourdon gauge. So I would explain this. Look, Bourdon gauge. We use like this from here. This apply pressure, not apply pressure. This is a mistake. And here the fluid should be flown. When the fluid will be flown, it comes here. This round and here. With the pressure it flows here, this tube bends up and this straightens, and as it straightens, this pointer moves and it will tell that where it is moving, the pressure. Where it will tell here are the numbers and it will tell. Okay, So next thing that we'll measure with the pressure is YouTube manometer. What is that mainly? Okay, so it is used for atmospheric pressure mainly, for this YouTube manometer. Okay, so we took two tubes and a tube at that bottom tube that connects both tubes. From one end we supply the gas and with pressure. So to find the gas pressure, the gas is blown in the liquid and the liquid from the other tube moves up. So we'll calculate the difference of the height, and then the reading will come, and then we'll see. Okay, now we'll do some questions like and we do here only. Okay, first, when a force is given of 50 newtons and acting on an area of 2 meters square, find the pressure. Okay, how we'll find? What is the force? You remember this formula. P is equals to F over A. Okay, so P equals F over A. Now find F. F is given 50. Now 50 divided by, I'm writing this oblique. Then 2. The area is 2. Okay, so that gives us 25. Okay, then after that 100 meters square. It is given 100 meters square. This was the first question, and then second question. 100 the 50 force remains same, not every time. In this question the force is same, 50 over 100. The answer is 50 divided by 100, 0.5. This gives us 0.5. Okay, now third question and the last, because the time's up. Okay, now this is 0.50. Tell me what is this. If I put in this formula, tell me what is this. Force. No, we are putting it wrong. Okay, so 50 is the force, oblique 0.50. Okay, this gives us something like 100 over 50 divided by 0.50. Yeah, 100. Okay, don't forget to mention the unit. It will cut your marks. PA. There is a short form of Pascal. PA. Write P. Okay. Here PA. Okay. And now here also PA. Okay. So here comes the end of video. Or if you have any question about this or any query, so mention in the comment. Please do subscribe, as I'm please make me reach till 1,000 subscribers. And then this Tuesday and Saturday I will be uploading some videos, educational videos, or the hot topic coronavirus. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and comment, please. Okay, it will be your benefit. Okay, thank you.